Good evening, all the student. So first of all, today this is our first lecture about electronic device and circuit. So let us discuss about and introduce this subject, electronic device and circuit. What is introduction? First of all, see the introduction. So electronic device and circuit. So this is electronic device and circuit. What is electronic device and circuit? First of all, we will see electronics device and circuit. What is electronics? Electronics is nothing but, if you see here, electron plus what? Electron plus mechanics. It is made up of this electron plus mechanics. So electronics. So therefore, what is this electronics? Means it is electron being negatively charged subatomic particle. What is negatively charged subatomic particle? What? Electron, whose charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and mass of electron is nothing but 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So this is my electron negatively charged subatomic particle. Now this mechanics, if you see this electromechanics is a combination. Electronics is a combination of this. So which state that, okay, so this is nothing but which state that the study, it is a study. What? Study about what? Study about behavior. What? Behavior. Study about the behavior of what? Behavior of electron under the what? Under the influence of what? Under the influence of electric field. So this is study about the behavior of electron under the influence of electric field is nothing but electronics. Let us see now what device. What do you mean by device? So let us see device. So device, this is electronics. Now we will discuss about device. What is device? So device, let us see. So device is something or a system which takes some input and generate some output as per our requirement. The device is a something or system which takes some input, generates some output as per our requirement is known as device. So that is what, just you write the definitions that I am saying. The device is something like a system which takes some input and generate some output as per our requirement is known as device. For example, if the device is like a system, the device is like a system through which we have applied some input and getting some desired output. For this, best example is what? Our voice signal. As I am speaking on this microphone, so that I want to make all the audience so that they can understand my voice, my word, what I want to say. So this is what my requirement. How I can fulfill this requirement? This requirement can be fulfilled by what? System. Because this is my voice signal, here this is small amount of what? Small amount of signal is in the order of what? Let us say it is in the order of what? This millivolt, 1 millivolt. This is minus 1 millivolt. Okay, so this is minus 1 millivolt. So this is my voice that I am speaking, that is my acoustic voice. Okay, so this will go to microphone. Inside the microphone there is a transducer, which is nothing but energy converter, and this is converting one form of energy into another form. This is physical voice signal converting into electrical signal through what? Transducer, through energy converter. And this electrical signal is going through this wire and coming to this phone. This phone here, mobile phone is like a device. Like what? Device. Okay, so then like device or like system, what is the main purpose of this system? This system will what? This system will process this electrical signal. This is our voice signal in the form of electrical signal, which is processed by the system. Processed by what? System. And this system is generating output as per our requirement. What is our requirement? My requirement is this is 1 millivolt. I want to this signal by an amount of what? 1 volt. This is what? 1 volt. This is 1 volt, which is only possible by amplifier. There inside the system there is some amplifier or so many electronic component. All the combinations make one what? System. And that system process my what? That system process my input signal, which is voice signal in the form of electrical signal. By processing that signal and making my voice from 1 millivolt to 1 volt. So therefore all the audience who are sitting far away are able to understand my word, what I want to say on microphone. So this is what? Device. So this is all about device. Okay, so now we will see about what is circuit. So let us see the circuit. So the circuit is nothing but it's a combination. Circuit is nothing but let's write the circuit is a combination. What is circuit? This is what about circuit? The circuit is what? Circuit is a combination. Circuit is a combination of all the what? Electronic component, all the electronic component and some passive component in a closed loop. In a closed loop is known as circuit. So like diode, resistor. Okay, so diode, resistor, capacitor. Here I can connect op-amp. Okay, so this is my op-amp, and here this is connected through battery, and we are performing closed loop. So this is what? Closed loop. Negative, positive, that is this is closed loop. Okay, so this is diode. So this is closed loop. So this is what? Our circuit. So this is circuit. This is electronic device and circuit. What is electronics? Is a electron plus mechanics, combination of electron plus mechanics, which is nothing but about the study. Which is nothing but the study about the behavior of what? Electron under the influence of what? Electric field is nothing but electronic, where electron is a negatively charged subatomic particle. Then device is what? Device is something or anything or something like a system which takes some input, generate some output as per our requirement by processing what? Signal. By processing the signal. Okay, so therefore this is known as device. Okay, so now the circuit is nothing but it is a combination of all the electronic component, electronic and passive component in a closed loop. In a closed loop is known as electronic device and circuit. The example of electronic device and circuit is nothing but like your laptop, adapter, your mobile phone, your mobile phone, digital camera, TV and automatic, and this what ATM, all these are electronic device, and lot of example is there for electronic device. So this is all about the introduction to electronic device and circuit, and next time we will come with what the topic of semiconductor. Why we are only discussing about semiconductor? Why not conductor? Why not insulator? What is the magic and what is the beauty that is present, that is inside the semiconductor? Let us see in the next lecture. Okay, so thank you for today. Okay, please share and subscribe and comment on my channel. So this is only the request for all of you. So nothing is there, so you can get the knowledge, you can get something different from my lecture. At least one or something you will get, definitely something different from here. So just the request is that you just like, subscribe and comment on my channel. So thank you.